Good morning, Claudia. I just got my lasso yesterday afternoon, and today I put it in my garage, and today I decided to unpack it and put it together. Eager to start to play with it. It comes with four sets of bolts. Uh, the first set, one of the bolts goes to the column, which is there, fits pretty nice. Second set goes to this table, fit pretty nice. Third set, I got some issues with these guys. Four bolts to the Galvo head. As I check, I think the thread, there's something really wrong with the thread. The bolt goes straight through two of the holes. This one, it grabs just a little bit, but it's very wiggly. And this one, they don't, it just goes straight through. And this guy in the rear kind of grabs, but it's still a lot of gap. I'm afraid to put it to install it due to I have 0 here. The threads are like not there for these bolts. So I checked the I have a thread measurement, and I double checked that the bolts are fine, and they are M5.8, and they all fit snug and nice, right? True. A little wibble, but not as bad as the Galvo head has. My second concern is about this paper here. Should it be there, or should the guy, when installing, should have removed it? If so, please let me know what to do, how to remove it. I don't think it's supposed to be there, but yeah. Thank you so much. Otherwise, this construction looks really solid. I'm super stoked about it. I want to know what you guys have to say about those holes. I'm an airplane mechanic, so I kind of know my nuts and bolts and threads, so I haven't put it in there, so I have not over tightened the threads. I just test all the bolts prior installation. That's how we do it when we work on jet engines. And the main reason we do that is to discover if something isn't wrong, and in this case it didn't. I'm not bashing you because everything else looks really good, like I said, but please get back to me and how to solve this. Thank you so much. Bye.